Hello, Stanley here. Sometimes there's so much information around that it seems easier to do nothing than to try to make sense of it all. I've been there, dozens of tips, hundreds of techniques, a sea of unnecessary noise. And at some point I decided to weed out everything unnecessary and keep only what really works. And now I have two tools that give me clear, specific signals. Today I'll show you how to use them to act without unnecessary confusion and confidently move towards results. My name's Stanley and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm choosing classic candles and setting the time frame to 1 minute. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the CCI and the fractal. Let's configure the fractal indicator first. We go to Style, make up red, set down to green, and save. Let's configure the CCI indicator next. Let's set period to 10, go to Style and disable background. Set line 100 to red, set the width to 2 and move opacity to the right. Let's set the -100 line to green and let's set the width to 2 and move opacity to the right. Set main line to white and set the width to 2 and save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and friends, if you trade on your phones, configure them in the same way. First situation, the expiration time is 3 minutes, and I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. Now I'll explain in detail how to apply this strategy. It's very simple, look. The fractal indicator shows a green arrow under the candles, which is the first signal for an increase. This signals that the market has started to move upward. The second signal comes from the CCI indicator. Its white line has touched the green line and is now pointing upward. This also indicates the beginning of an uptrend, confirming that the market is ready to continue growing. The combination of these two signals provides clear confirmation for trading in an upward direction. Excellent! The first trade worked out well with a profit of $1,840. So, let's move on to the next entry point. If you want to receive up-to-date trading strategies and analytics every day, please join my free Telegram channel. We share useful information and help each other improve our trading results. If something is not clear after watching this video, you can always ask a question or write to me personally. The link to the channel is in the description, so please join and grow with us. On Telegram, you'll find up-to-date advice to help you make the right decisions. So again, please join while it's free. A clear signal has just appeared. The expiry time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The movement on the chart is excellent and the indicators clearly confirm correctness of the chosen direction. After a very long growth, I see that both indicators point to the beginning of a downtrend and the chart is drawing red candles, which is a strong signal for a continued decline. A long uptrend is usually accompanied by the exhaustion of upward energy, and now that the indicators confirm the change in direction, I'm confident that the downward movement will continue. All signals point to a likely successful outcome, and I expect this downtrend to be profitable. Let's see. Another win! I'm getting $1,840 in profit. So, let's keep trading. Good opportunity. The expiration time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. All signals converge and the market is moving exactly as predicted. I enter the trade with confidence as all confirming factors indicate a continuation of the trend. And I observe some sideways movement on the chart, which is often a sign of energy accumulation before a strong movement. I expect a downward breakout in the near future, and this breakout will lead to a continuation of the downtrend. Sideways phases usually mean that the market is gathering strength for the next step, and now that the accumulated energy will be realized, we can expect a strong downward impulse movement. Given the current dynamics and all the confirming signals, I'm pretty confident that the market will continue to move in a downward direction, opening up excellent opportunities for profit. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. And again, everything worked. The balance is replenished by $1,840. Let's move on. Here's an interesting entry point. The expiration time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. The chart shows a strong movement and the indicators confidently support this direction. I'm entering the market with complete confidence as all confirming signals indicate a continuation of the trend. I see a clear uptrend, which is confirmed by both the chart and all indicators. This movement looks stable and strong, which gives confidence in continued growth. It's important to note that the current dynamics on the chart support the trend, and all signs point to a steady rise. Given this stability, I'm confident that the upward movement will continue and the market will keep strengthening. We'll see. Great result! I earned another $1,840 and my total balance is now $24,604. Well, let's sum up the results. The balance has grown from $17,244 to $24,604. That's a powerful result. The main thing is to follow the strategy and stay focused. Friends, if you still have questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!